Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing and overview of the TWS400 earbuds from HiFiMan. So these are truly wireless earbuds from HiFiMan, and they are more like similar to the TWS600 earbuds that we reviewed few months ago. So here you can see some of the features are given, plus the price quoted on the box is 599 rupees, but you can get it for much cheaper online. Unboxing the box, you can see we get the earphones in the charging case. So here's the charging case that looks like an extended cube. So it's of lightweight and made of good quality material. So to the right side you have the charging port, which is the USB Type-C port, and if you open up the case, you can see you can place your earphones here and you can easily close this up. This can easily fit up in your pockets. In terms of design, the TWS400 looks quite similar to TWS600 that we reviewed few months ago. And here you can see we have the charging pins, and left and right it's mentioned on the earphones itself. You get extra ear tips that you can use. You also get a USB Type-C cable inside the box, and inside the charging case you can see these earphones are getting charged now. If you want to power it on, powering on, it's quite easy. You just need to press it for a few seconds and the earphones will get powered on. Here you can see this shows the charge lift on the case. Press for 2 or 3 seconds, these earphones get powered on. Press for 4 or 5 seconds and these earphones will get into pairing mode so that you can pair it with your smartphone now. In terms of design and fit, these earphones look quite cool and they fit really well onto your ears, and they have a really good snug fit. In terms of sound quality, these earphones offer decent amount of bass and has a balanced sound out. In terms of fit, they have a really snug fit in your ears. The battery life and the range was excellent on these earphones. Overall, these are really good entry-level TWS earphones from HiFiMan that you should definitely check out if you are a person who wants to have a good TWS earphone for your personal usage as well as your gym or sporting usage. This one is definitely for you. If you are interested in purchasing the same, a link to same will in the description. From here you can go and buy it. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.